Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing journey that almonds take from orchard to your table. Have you ever thought about the work, dedication, and precision that go into producing those delicious almonds you enjoy every day? From planting the first seedlings to delivering this final product, each step in almond production is a fascinating world of science, nature, and careful craftsmanship. So grab a snack, preferably some almonds, and let's get started on this journey from orchard to table. The journey begins planting almond seedlings. It all starts in mid-February, a time carefully chosen by farmers for planting almond seedlings. This timing is crucial because it allows the young plants to take advantage of the optimal growing season, where conditions are just right to set the trees up for a fruitful life. Farmers know that planting at just the right time gives each tree the strongest foundation possible. Once the soil is prepared, farmers carefully plant each seedling. Almond trees need a good amount of space to grow and spread their roots, so farmers take care to give each young plant plenty of room. This spacing not only helps each tree reach sunlight but also improves air circulation, and both are essential for healthy growth. Even from these earliest stages, every step is measured and precise. Growth and nurturing. The early years after planting, farmers place protective covers over the seedlings. These covers act like tiny shields, guarding the young plants against pests and limiting exposure to harsh sunlight. These seedlings, just like young children, need a bit of extra care to start off strong. Over the next 2 years, they grow slowly but steadily, transforming from fragile seedlings into resilient young almond trees. During these years, farmers are hard at work, monitoring every aspect of the tree's development. One key aspect of almond farming is water. Almond trees are surprisingly thirsty plants, and they need a consistent supply of water to thrive. Farmers use drip irrigation systems, a method that provides a steady flow of water directly to the roots. This efficient system conserves water while making sure the trees are hydrated and healthy. As the trees grow, farmers remain vigilant, checking for any signs of disease or pests. If they spot anything that could harm the trees, they act quickly to protect the crop. They also fertilize the soil to make sure the trees have all the nutrients they need. It's a delicate balance between providing enough care and letting nature take its course. Pruning, shaping and strengthening the trees. As almond trees grow, they need a bit of guidance to reach their full potential. That's where pruning comes in. In the beginning of winter, farmers carefully prune the trees, trimming away any dead or diseased branches. This not only keeps the trees healthy but also helps shape them for the best possible almond yield. By promoting air circulation and allowing sunlight to reach every part of the tree, pruning is key for high-quality almond production. Farmers take a methodical approach to pruning, knowing that each cut will impact the future harvest. It's a skill that requires patience and an understanding of the unique growth patterns of almond trees. Done correctly, pruning helps each tree grow stronger and sets the stage for a bountiful harvest in the coming years. Blossoming and pollination. Nature's symphony. By the third year, something magical happens. The almond trees begin to blossom. This typically occurs between February and March, turning the orchard into a breathtaking sea of pink and white flowers. But these blossoms are more than just beautiful. They're the first step toward producing almonds. During this blooming period, honeybees are introduced to the orchards. These bees play a critical role in almond production, as they pollinate the flowers, allowing them to develop into almonds. Each bee buzzes from flower to flower, carrying pollen with them. It's a beautiful reminder of the harmony between agriculture and nature. Without these bees, the almonds we enjoy wouldn't exist. Beekeepers work with farmers to ensure that the orchards have enough bees to complete the pollination process. The partnerships between bees and almond trees is vital. It's a dance between species that's been perfected over generations. Watching the bees at work, you can see the essential link between farming and the natural world. Developing the almonds, growth and protection. After pollination, the real transformation begins. The flowers that were once delicate and soft start developing into hard-shelled almonds. Over the next 5 to 6 months, these almonds grow and mature, drawing nutrients from the soil and water from the irrigation systems. As they grow, they develop a hard shell to protect the precious nut inside. This natural armor is key for preserving the almonds, as it keeps them safe from pests and the elements. During this stage, farmers closely monitor the trees, ensuring they have everything they need to produce high-quality almonds. They manage irrigation carefully, ensuring the trees get the right amount of water without wasting any. It's a careful balance. Too much water could harm the trees, but too little would affect the size and quality of the almonds. Harvesting. The bounty of the orchard. When the almonds are finally ready for harvest, typically from late summer to early fall, the orchards come alive with activity. Specially designed harvesting machines shake the trees, causing the almonds to fall to the ground in a shower of shells and nuts. This process is efficient and gentle on the trees, allowing farmers to collect the almonds without causing any damage to the trees or their branches. Once on the ground, the almonds are gathered by skilled workers, who make sure every nut is collected. It's a scene of organized chaos as machines, workers, and farmers all come together to bring in the harvest. Each almond collected represents months, even years, of dedication and hard work. Drying and processing. Preparing for market. After harvesting, the almonds are transported to a drying area. In regions like the Middle East, almonds are traditionally spread out under the sun for a week to dry. This age-old method reduces the moisture content of the almonds, ensuring they're preserved for storage and further processing. The sun-dried almonds are carefully tended, with workers regularly checking and turning them for even drying. Once dried, the almonds move to processing facilities. Here, they undergo cleaning, sorting, and shelling. Advanced machinery removes the hard shells, leaving the edible almond ready for its journey to consumers. Each almond is sorted by size and quality, ensuring that only the best make it to the final packaging. For farmers and workers, this stage is a labor of love, as they see the results of their hard work taking shape. Packaging and distribution. Bringing almonds to the world. The final step in the almond journey is packaging and distribution. In the processing facility, the cleaned and sorted almonds are packaged in various forms: whole, sliced, or ground, depending on demand. Each package is designed to keep the almonds fresh and safe for consumers. Packaging is done with care, with special attention to maintaining freshness and preventing contamination. Once packaged, the almonds are ready to be shipped worldwide. They're loaded onto trucks, planes, and ships, bound for markets, stores, and tables around the globe. It's the last leg of a long journey, one that began as a single seedling and ended as a nutritious snack on your table. And there you have it, the remarkable journey of almonds from orchard to table. Each step, from planting to packaging, is a testament to the hard work, patience, and dedication of the farmers and workers who make it possible. So, the next time you enjoy a handful of almonds, remember all the effort and care that went into bringing this nutritious snack to you. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you enjoyed learning about the world of almond production. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.